If there's one brand that truly understands what watch enthusiasts want, it's Tissot. Over the past few years, they've consistently delivered watches that strike a perfect balance between heritage, design, and value. And now, they've done it again by refining one of their most mahboob everyday watches. This is the Tissot Gentleman 38mm, and it might just be the perfect daily watch. We've already seen Tissot respond to demand with the hugely popular PRX Powermatic 80, now available in multiple sizes. But on the more classic side of things, the Gentleman has quietly been one of the best entry-level mechanical watches since its debut in 2019. There was just one issue. It only came in 40mm. Until now. The new 38mm version keeps everything that made the Gentleman great, but refines it where it matters most. The smaller case size makes it more versatile, more wearable, and much more in line with today's preferences. And the best part is, nothing else has been compromised. You still get that clean, timeless design, a mostly brushed stainless steel case paired with a polished sloping bezel and subtle bevels along the case sides. It's simple, but that's exactly what makes it so good. The proportions are improved too, with the lug-to-lug now reduced to 45.7mm, making it sit more comfortably on a wider range of wrists. On top of that, you get a sapphire crystal, a see-through caseback, and 100 meters of water resistance, making this a true go-anywhere, do-anything watch. The dial has also been slightly refined. The crosshair design from the 40mm version is gone, replaced with a cleaner and more minimal layout. You can choose between silver, black, blue, or green dials, each featuring a subtle pyramidal sunray finish that adds depth without being distracting. Applied hour markers and hands are filled with superluminova for low-light visibility, and there's a neatly framed date window to keep things practical. Inside, you'll find the reliable Powermatic 80 automatic movement, but this time it features a Nivacron hairspring instead of silicone. Nivacron offers excellent resistance to magnetism, temperature changes, and shocks, making it a very practical choice for everyday wear. It runs at 21,600 vibrations per hour and delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, meaning you can take it off for the weekend and it'll still be ticking when you pick it back up. The Gentleman 38mm comes on a stainless steel 3-link bracelet with brushed outer links and polished inner links that add just the right amount of contrast. It's comfortable, versatile, and fits the overall character of the watch perfectly. And chances are, we'll see more strap options like leather and rubber in the future. At around 695 Swiss francs, it's honestly hard to find anything to complain about. In a market where prices continue to rise, Tissot feels like a brand that still delivers real value. The Gentleman has always been a strong entry-level mechanical watch, but in this 38mm size, it becomes even more appealing, more balanced, more wearable, and arguably closer to the ideal everyday watch. And that's exactly what makes it so good.